It could have been done by now, but I'm going to give you a list of the tribes, the Igbo tribes, and this is the list, and as well as some of the spelling. So we have, let's see how this is fit. I usually don't do this like this. So you got Abia, the Igbo, Ibibo, Aduma, Hausa, Fulfide, Bachama, Ambula, Gudi, Lunguda, Kanakuru, Yandad, Bata, Hagi, Kilba, Burak, Younger. In Aqua Ibom, you have Ibibo, Anang, Oron, Mbe, Okobo, Humbuno, Eket, and Doni. In Ambra State, you have Igbo. Bachi State, Hausa Fulfide. Bayelsa State, you have Lokuma. Benue State, you have Tiv, Idoma, Igidi. Borno State, you have Hausa, Kanuri, Fulfildi, Margi, Shwa, Babur. Cross River, Ifik, Ijagam, Bekwari. Delta, you have Inioni, Ika, Ndoko, Okbe, Urubo, Iskakeri, Izoko, Ijo, Delta Pigden, Igbo. Ebony State, you have Igbo. Edo State, you have Edo. Isan, Isako, Akpa, Murray, Owan. Ekiti State, you have Yoruba. Nugu State, you have Igbo. Gombe State, you have Hausa. Imo State, you have Igbo. Imo State, you have Igbo. Jigawa State, you have Hausa. Kaduna State, you have Hausa. Kano State, Hausa. Katsina, Hausa. Kebi, Hausa. Fulfildi. Kogi, Yoruba. Ibiri, Basa, Igali, Igbari, Goto, Basane, Como. Kawara State, you have Yoruba. Nupi, Barutin. Lagos, you have Yoruba. Igun. Nasarawa, you have Hausa. Niger State, you have Hausa. Nupi, Gibagi, Gambari, Kamuku. Ogun State, you have Yoruba. Ondo State, you have Yoruba. Egberi. Osun State, you have Yoruba. Oyo State, you have Yoruba. Plateau, you have Barom, Ngas, Terok, Umwafalu, Gamai, Egon, Borgon. The rivers, you have Ikwer, Calabari, Kana, Port Harcourt, etc. Sokoto State, Hausa, obviously Fulfildi. Taraba State, Hausa Fulfildi, Mamai, Junkun. Yobe State, Hausa Fulfildi, Kanuri, Bolewa. Badenchi, Karakai, and Zamaf State, you have Hausa. Thank you.